DGPS surveyors and Manesar play a crucial role in various industries and sectors. With the rapid development and expansion of infrastructure projects in Manesar, the need for accurate and precise surveying has become essential. DGP surveyors use advanced technology and equipment to collect and analyze data, allowing them to provide accurate measurements and maps of the land. These professionals are skilled in conducting surveys for construction projects, land development, road planning, and other applications. HiringDGPSsurveyors in Manesar ensures that projects are executed efficiently and with minimal errors, leading to cost savings and improved project outcomes. SCON Design is a reputable company that offers DGP surveying services in Manesar. With their team of experienced surveyors and state-of-the-art equipment, they provide accurate and reliable surveying solutions to their clients. SCON Design understands the importance of precise measurements in construction projects, as even a small error can have significant consequences. Their team of DGP surveyors utilizes advanced technology to collect data efficiently and produce detailed reports and maps. Delhi, being the capital city of India, is a hub of various industries and development projects. The demand for DGP surveyors in Delhi is high due to the numerous construction projects taking place in the city. DGP surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that these projects are executed smoothly and meet the required standards. They provide accurate measurements and data that are essential for the planning, design, and execution of these projects. With their expertise, DGP surveyors in Delhi can help identify potential challenges or issues during the initial stages of a project, allowing for timely interventions and cost-effective solutions. When hiring DGP surveyors, it is important to consider their experience, expertise, and the technology they use to ensure optimal results. Manesar DGP surveyors are essential to many different industries and sectors. Accurate and exact surveying is now crucial due to the quick growth and expansion of infrastructure developments in Manesar. DGP surveyors gather and analyze data using cutting-edge tools and technology, resulting in precise measurements and maps of the area. These experts are adept at conducting surveys for building projects, real estate development, road planning, and other uses. Hiring DGP surveyors in Manesar guarantees that tasks are carried out effectively and with few mistakes, resulting in cost savings and better project outputs. A reputable business in Manesar that provides DGP surveying services is SCON Design. They provide their clients precise and dependable surveying solutions thanks to their team of skilled surveyors and cutting-edge tools. SCON Design is aware of the need of accurate measurements in building projects because even a minor miscalculation can have serious repercussions. Advanced technology is used by their team of DGP surveyors to gather data quickly and provide granular reports and maps. Delhi, the capital of India, is a center for many businesses and construction initiatives.